patients usually get confused about the options to get a new smile, and we cannot actually blame them because there are a lot of information out there about dental bonding and porcelain veneers. But one of the main differences between them is the longevity of it. Dental bonding is actually done by using a tooth-colored resin material called composite. If you ever had a back white filling, you should know that we use the exactly same material on the front teeth in order to change the shape, size, and color of that teeth. And you should know that if it's done by a right professional, the result will be actually fulfilling and beautiful. But it is not as durable as porcelain. It may chip more easier and take up stains easier over time, as it is a little bit more porous than porcelain. But if they take up a stain, it can be polished down very easy. Another difference is that dental bonding can be used in minor adjustments, but should not be preferred in major corrections. Dental composites usage is limited in some areas. Porcelains are potentially stronger, and you can also pre-plan and prepare them outside the mouth, letting you to make a more effective and a bigger change. So knowing the differences between composite resin and porcelain, you can make the final decision to choose one by consulting your dentist.